Finally, there is an app that brings the full hunting experience together. Hunters, organizers, venues, and providers, all connected around one event. For hunters, it helps you prepare, see who is involved, review the venue and available game or services, and follow the event as the hunt gets closer. During the hunt, it helps capture the moments that matter: live activity, recorded hits, photos, chat, and the memories you share afterwards. And with clearer event details and running costs, everyone can stay on the same page from start to finish. In this quick guide, we will walk through the hunter side, getting started, creating or accepting an event, going live, recording activity, and keeping track of the hunt. Once you've registered, you can log into the app using your email address and password. You will first arrive on the home screen, where you can see your social feed, activity from friends, past events, and upcoming hunts. We will explore the app in more detail later, but whenever you need help, tap the blue question mark to see a short explanation of the screen you are on. For now, a great place to start is your profile. Setting up your profile helps personalize your experience in the app. It also makes it easier for friends and other users to recognize you, connect with you, and invite you to their next hunt. From the profile landing screen, tap the Roles card. Roles are how you tell the app how you are most likely to use it. For most social users, the right role will simply be hunter. For people involved in the hunting industry, there are business-related roles such as professional hunter or game farm or other service providers. Choose the role that best describes you. You can have more than one role where it makes sense, but for most hunters, selecting hunter is the simplest place to start. The profile landing page is also where you will receive invites to hunting events, or, where relevant, business invitations. So as you use the app, keep an eye on your profile screen for anything that needs your attention. Every good hunt usually brings a few key people together: the hunters, the organizer, the main venue or provider, and sometimes additional service providers, such as accommodation, meat processing, transport, or taxidermy. The organizer could be one of the hunters, the game farm itself, or, for a professional hunt, an outfitter. Before creating an event, make sure your profile includes the correct organizing role, such as organizer or outfitter. This tells the app that you are allowed to set up and manage a hunt. To create a new event, start from the home screen and tap New Event. This opens the event creation wizard, which takes you through the setup step by step. First, add the basic event details: the event name, a short description, and the start and end dates. In most cases, the default billing settings will already be the right place to start. Next, add the venue information. Choose the region where the hunt will take place, and if you know it, add the venue or farm name. Then invite your hunters. Add their name and at least one contact method, either an email address or a phone number. Most guests will simply be invited as hunters. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Just tap Cancel to reset the invite card, then add the next person again. For most invited guests, the role will simply be hunter. You can create as many invites as you need. After that, you can add your primary provider. This is often the game farm or venue that will host the hunt. If you have previously interacted with suppliers or providers in the app, their details may already be available in your contact list, making it quick to select and invite them. If they are not in your contacts yet, you can simply use the invite card as normal by adding their name and at least one contact method. The next step is for secondary providers. These are optional but useful for bigger events where you may want to include people like taxidermists, meat processors, accommodation providers, or other specialists. Finally, on the last tab of the Event Creation Wizard, you will see a summary of the event. Check the dates, venue, hunters, and providers. When everything looks right, tap Create Event. The app will send the invites, and the event will be available from your main event or hunt area, where you can view the details, invited people, venue information, and event status. And that is how simple it is to set up a hunting event as an organizer or outfitter. When someone invites you to a hunting event, you will likely receive a message by email, SMS, or WhatsApp. The message will encourage you to get the app from the App Store or Google Play. Using the app, you will see an invite notification waiting for you at the profile navigation. From there, open your profile screen and scroll down to Invites. You will see a new invite card for the hunting event. Tap View to open the invite details. Here, you can see the important information about the planned hunt, including the event name, dates, venue or region, and the role you were invited for. You can also open the primary provider's services to see what will be available. For a game farm, this will include the game available to be hunted. Depending on the event, it may also include other products or services connected to the hunt. You can choose to accept the invite, or if you cannot attend, you can decline it. After accepting, the app confirms your response and takes you into the event screen. From there, you can quickly scroll through the event again, see who is participating, and review the key details. The event will also appear on your home screen as an upcoming event, and whenever you want to check it again, you can use the event area in the bottom navigation. Whether you are a hunter or a provider, this is where you can return to upcoming events, review the venue and dates, see who is participating, and keep track of the details as the hunt gets closer. And just like that, you are part of the hunt. When the day of the hunt arrives, the system recognizes that the event has entered its live window. This is the period where the organizer or outfitter can start the live hunt by tapping the Go Live button from the live area of the app. Once the event is live, the app can support real-time field awareness. For participants who have location sharing enabled, the app can update location information so the event team has a better view of activity in the field. The live area also gives everyone a central place to follow what is happening during the hunt. You can access the event chat, keep track of live activity, and see updates as hunters record hits and other important moments. We will cover hit recording in the next section, but for now, the key point is simple. Go Live turns the event from a planned hunt into an active hunt, with the tools you need to follow the action as it happens. Once an event is live, the live screen becomes the place to follow what is happening during the hunt. You can see live activity, where recorded hits and other updates appear. Chat messages can also be read and posted. The field map can help show movement and activity in the field. To record a hit, open the Record Hit screen. From there, choose the hunter linked to the hit, then select the outcome, for example, whether it was a kill shot or a wounded animal. Next, use the game carousel to choose the animal or game item being recorded. You can also add a photo from the camera or from your photo library, so the record includes the moment as it happened. Once the details are ready, tap Record Hit. The new hit will then appear in live activity, so the event team can immediately see what has been recorded. From there, the hit can be confirmed by the hunter, the outfitter, or the game farm, depending on the event situation. Confirming the hit helps keep the event record accurate, and it also supports the billing information linked to the hunt. You may also notice that recorded hits can appear on the home feed for friends to see, where the event settings and privacy rules allow it. That turns the live hunt into something more than just admin. It becomes part of the shared experience and the memory of the day. There is a great social side to recording a live hunt, but there is also a very practical side. As the hunt continues, the outfitter, the farm or venue, and most importantly the hunters themselves, can keep track of what has been recorded during the event. This gives everyone a clearer view of the running statement as the hunt unfolds, day by day and hit by hit. That means the hunter can see what has been added to the event, including confirmed hits, services, and even items linked to wounded animals where those need to be recorded. The goal is simple: no surprises at the end of the hunt. When the live part of the event is finished, the organizer or outfitter can end the live event. Once that happens, no more live hit recording can take place. But the information does not disappear. Everyone involved can still view the event billing information and see the totals that have been captured for the hunt. So instead of waiting for paperwork, messages, or manual calculations after the event, the important information is already there. It gives hunters, organizers, and providers a clearer picture of where everything stands, helping the event run smoothly from start to finish. That's the hunter side of everybody's favorite hunting app in a nutshell. The app helps bring every hunt together: the people, the place, the activity, the memories, and the details that matter. With clearer information, fewer surprises, and a more connected experience, every hunt becomes easier to organize and better to remember. Follow us for more guides and updates. Happy hunting!